Hi, I'm Chris Zinn, owner and publisher of TheHomeMag. TheHomeMag is a home improvement resource for homeowners just like you. We work hard at promoting the best contractors in the metro. When it comes to roofing contractors in the market, it's important to work with someone that you have confidence in. In many cases, we have direct knowledge with each company, especially those listed on our best of list, which we are updated frequently. We're looking for roofing companies with something called EEAT. It's experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. In other words, we look for companies that have a history of providing quality home services combined with good customer service. You can see our list also includes verified and unverified roofers. And when possible, we try to verify companies that are licensed and insured. All of our companies we promote tend to have a strong web presence and social proof in the form of good reviews across social media websites and other trusted review sites. Keep in mind that the companies and contractors you'll find on our platforms are established companies, but should not substitute for your own due diligence. Hopefully this list of roofers will give you a nice starting point in terms of finding the right, trustworthy, and proven roofing contractor for your project.